Find yourself a love. Find you a love that makes you warm inside, that you can hide from. Someone to share with you your deep, dark secrets. Kia ora te whānau. Are you a singer-songwriter living in Te Waipounamu? Because Tahu FM are looking for you. The Kia Kaha Te Reo Māori Song Competition is open until the 31st of October, so get your entries in fast. There are some amazing prizes up for grabs, including a studio recording and mastering of your song, opportunities to perform live, you'll get your song played on Tahu FM. There's also Prezi cards available up to the value of $1,000 and merchandise as well. Enter as a solo artist, as a duo or as a group, and voting is open for public votes now, so get your entries in fast.
Tahu